Hello and congratulations on picking up a copy of Starting a Video Marketing Agency using Adobe Spark. Welcome to the course. My name is Luther Landro, and in this video series, we're going to cover how to make money creating a very small, very boutique video marketing agency. So first things I want to cover is just kind of give you a summary of what's inside of the course. So let's cover the course contents. I want to give you a big picture, right? An overview of the entire course. I'm going to show you how everything works. We'll talk about how to sell over video, and that's very important because you'll be selling your clients, end users, or your clients' customers. You can also use video to sell your video service. I'll also walk you through how to create these video products and how to find and service clients, and obviously getting paid, right? Our favorite part. Okay, so let's cover what's inside of all of the sections. In the first section, we'll introduce you to this course. We'll talk a little bit about yours truly. We'll talk about where to get some support and how to grab your course materials. In section 2, I'll tell you how it all works. So we'll examine the need in the market, look at some client examples, and see how it benefits them. And then I'll talk about how you earn money in this business. In section 3, talk about selling over video. So I'll give you a video format that brings in the results for you. Talk about the steps that you need to do before you write any video pitches. And then we'll talk about crafting the video offer. Next, in section 4, we'll talk about using Adobe Spark to create videos. So we'll get you set up and started. And then we'll talk about creating the video presentations themselves. And I'll have a nice little walkthrough to go through Spark with you so we can do it together. We'll have a discussion about using music and voiceovers. And then, of course, we'll talk about hosting and sharing your videos so you can show your clients the work that you've done. Next, in section 5, we'll talk about finding and servicing clients. So this includes prospecting, looking for good prospects out there and how to reach out to them. I'll also give you some good advanced approach techniques that bring in results. We'll talk about what your sales pitch is to the client. And then, of course, servicing and fulfillment, right? Making the videos and delivering what you promise. Now, in section 6, we'll do a wrap-up. So I'll give you a quick recap and a summary of everything that you've learned. I'll give you a reading list of all the books that helped me with this and other businesses, as well as a quick start guide to get you going. And I'll give you the next steps so you know the very next thing you need to do to get going.